evening everyone. Today we are going to make greeting card. It is beautiful. You can make it easily. For this we need colorful sheet, some beads, yellow strips, scissors, Fevicol and oil paste color. We take white sheet, fold it like this in a triangle. Fold it again in a triangle shape. Draw the circle and cut it in a round shape and take a color and do shading. Put Fevicol on one petal like this and paste it. We paste a bead in a flower. Similarly, we made many flowers in different size. Now we take green sheet for leaves, fold it like this, draw the leaves and cut here. Open it, see that? Like this you have to make 4, 5, 6 leaves. Now we take A3 sheet, fold it in half. We take yellow strip, paste it on the sheet. Put the Fevicol, paste it like this. After this, we take flowers and leaf and paste it on a sheet. We make a small circle in the side with crayon. You can use different color. Now it is complete.